LA City 911 operator.
Yeah, we were just woken up by, like, large yelling in the house next door. It seems like there might be a fight or something. I don't know what's going on.
Okay, could you make out what the fighting was about, or what the yelling was about?
Babe, can you tell what they're fighting about?
And then what's the address?
Our address is 89 Balcom Avenue, and they're the next house up, facing, they're next door. I don't know what address is that. Do you know what address that is? Yeah, we're 89 Balcom, B-A-L-C-O-M Avenue.
Okay, if I was on the street facing your house, would it be the house to the left of you or to the right of you? The left of you?
Yeah, it's the house to the left, yeah. Yeah, we hear a lot of screaming. We hear some crying. It sounds like male voices, but we hear like a female voice as well.
Okay. Does it sound like a physical altercation as well, or is it just verbal?
It's a lot of people. It's hard to tell, but I think it's just verbal for right now. I don't hear anything else like that.
Okay. If anything changes or escalates, just go ahead and give us a call back, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Bye. Any Devonshire Unit 415-589 Welcome Avenue, Code 2, and 7512 and RD 17.
Supervisor for Fukushima with a gun, 89 Welcome Avenue.
Everybody inside the house, come out with your hands up. Step back to cover, dude. I got you.
Question 1704 responding code 3 from Devonshire Station to 89 Welcome Avenue.
Everybody inside, 89 Falcon. Step out with your hands up. Roger. 95 corrections, 89 Falcon. Step out with your hands up. Drop the gun. Step out with your hands up. Drop the gun or you're going to get shot. Yeah, I see it.
1795, 1795, come in.
95, go ahead.
Hey! I said come outside! Come over here! Keep coming! Come over here!
The address is 89 Falcon. Suspect is a male, possible black, no shirt, with a backpack, gray shorts.
Hands up! Walk nice and slow. Walk on over to my partner's side.
Walk over this side. Walk over this side. Stand over here. Okay, come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here.
I don't have
Come over here.
any weapons, anything. I don't have anything.
Come outside! Right now!
Does he have a gun?
Yes, he does.
Yes.
Yes. He's very out of control.
Stop! Drop the gun!
Put the gun down.
Drop the gun!
Put the gun down.
Drop the gun!
Put the gun down.
Fuck.
Put the gun down. Hold Robert.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Hold Robert.
I'm not a witch. What the fuck are you talking about?
Hey, the windows is bulletproof.
Yeah. Suspect.
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun, you're gonna get shot.
Jordan, put the gun down, Jordan.
I love y'all. Mom,
Jordan, put the gun down. We'll get you some help, man.
call her out.
You can do DCO.
Yeah.
DCO.
Jordan, listen to me. We'll get you some help, man. Let her go.
Do you want to bump to the other side? Yeah. Go, 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 go.
He's coming up.
We need to get her out.
Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
Hold on. He's on the back. Hold on.
Drop the fucking gun!
I love y'all. I'll go with you. Everybody. I
Yes.
love y'all. No, kill it. Everybody.
Jordan,
I don't have a shot.
Jordan, listen to me. We'll get you some help, man. Let her go.
Code robber on this side. Get someone on that side over there.
Yeah.
Hey, he's locking up.
Hey, he's coming up with. Come here. Come here. Hey, he's running back. He's running back in the house.
Drop the fucking gun!
He's still moving. He's moving towards victim.
Get the gun. Go to the gun. Relax, 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 Jordan. Relax, 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 Jordan. Relax. We're gonna get you some help. Just kneel him down. Just set him down. Just set him down. 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 Jordan, relax, brother. Hey, 2 sets of cuffs. 2 sets. 2 sets. 2 sets. Relax. Relax.
Please don't do this to me.
You're good. You're good, Jordan. You're good.
After being taken into custody, the officers determined that Cortez had been struck by gunfire. They immediately requested a rescue ambulance and rendered aid until paramedics arrived.
Hey, put him in the recovery position.
No. Please, you got. No, please. You stay like that. Stay like that.
Where's the gunshot wound?
Where are you hurt, Jordan?
Where you hit?
Where does it hurt?
I'm not here.
Is it in his abdomen?
I'm not here.
Yeah,
No.
it's in his abdomen.
I'm not here. Please.
Hey, stay here.
Please,
Stay here.
no.
Stop,
Please.
man. Jordan, stop
Stay
moving.
here. Stop moving.
Please.
Just stay just like that.
No, please.
You're okay.
No, please, help.
You're okay.
No,